Hey everyone, it's your girl Tiffany Clarise back with another video. I'm introducing my product line. It's hot. We got everything on deck. Let's get started. If you already haven't done so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like this video in advance because you about to be wild. So this right here is the Tiffany Clarise Diamond Shine Spray. It can be purchased on TiffanyClarise.com or also it's available for pickup inside of the salon. So this right here is a heat protectant and it also gives you a nice exotic shine with the weightless feel. The key to a successful curl is all in the flick of your wrist. So as you see right here, I'm taking sections not larger or wider than the size of the tool that I'm using today, which is the Babyliss titanium iron. I have this in all of the sizes. I've been using this iron for a good 10 years, not the same particular one, but just this brand. I have the dryer as well. It works great. Doesn't give my clients heat damage. I like that. It's nice and smooth and sleek so that I can create curls. This is the 1-inch iron. So as you see, I'm going in and I'm just grabbing the hair with the iron, and sometimes you'll see me twirling the flat iron, and that's just to lock in the curl if I want the curls to be nice and tight. But also you'll see me just pull on the iron and kind of bend my wrist so that it creates a nice curl pattern. I like to twirl it as if I were using a curling iron because it locks it in. Sometimes I feel like if I just pull the hair straight out with the iron that it doesn't get the curl as tight as I want it. I just wanted to note that you want to curl the hair in the direction that you want the hair to fall. So sometimes you'll see me curling away from the face, and sometimes you'll see me curling towards the face, almost like I'm doing a flip. And that right there, it creates a hollow look in the style so that you don't have any holes in your curls when you're going to do your comb out. You want those curls to kind of be friends and flow together. Depending on the style, when my clients have curls that are hanging, I do like to do the curls going away from the face, and that just gives me a nice soft feathered look. Oh my gosh, so much body, weightless. What more could you ask for? And then check out the memory in these curls. No matter which way I comb it, these curls ain't going nowhere. Hey, we did it. Oh my gosh, look at these curls, y'all. I told y'all that Tiffany Clarise Diamond Shine Spray got those curls just flowing and growing and glowing, honey. That's right up your alley too. Ooh wee. Okay, edges. Yes, we're on those. Okay, let's see. Tiffany Clarise Sleek Edge, the best edge control on the market. You can purchase it online at TiffanyClarise.com, or you can stop by the salon and pick up yours today. Laying down the edges is my favorite part of the whole hairstyle. It just completes the look. Even if you don't want to do, all of the whoop-de-whoop with the edges, that's fine too. Just a classic little slick back is cool with me. So when doing your edges, just make sure that your comb ain't too sharp and your client ain't acting like you're extra heavy-handed, child. But no, for real, you want to make sure you're making those C little motions, and then boom, there you got it. So I'm finishing up these curls with a nice humidity block by Kenra. This is the flexible hold spray. Oh my gosh, it's so much shine, so much body. I mean, y'all, book y'all appointment. Check out your girl, Tiffany Clarise, Tiffany Clarise Salon on Instagram, Tiffany Clarise Salon Studio on Facebook. Boom. Hey, and pick up your products, TiffanyClarise.com. I'll be back for another video. Y'all go ahead and like this, share this, comment on this.